Hello friends, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is my 73rd day of 90 days English speaking challenge. So friends, today I am talking about that how to stop the overthinking, and I also share about that the simple step for the stop the overthinking. So it's it's a big problem. Everybody, some people and just like most of people face this type of problems, and how to stop the overthinking. So firstly, when you think about that, then you don't fight them and don't fight your thoughts. When thoughts comes in your mind, so don't fight it, only observe it. And it's a good things for that. When overthinking comes in your minds, so you don't fight it anything and absorb it these things. And it is also stops in your the overthinking. So it's also the good things when you do it this type of things. And also just like when and take the some breath. So just like when thoughts in comes in your mind, so take the some slow breath, and it instantly brings you come back to the present moment. So it's also the good things when you do it, then you also know about that how to stop them. And also just like set the timing for the think a lot, and it's also good things. And you also accept this now time I thinking a lot, and just like I think the overthink, so then don't fight them, but you accepted these things, because acceptance, it's the just like slowly and lose your thoughts also. And also just know about that, then you also accept these things. And set the boundaries, just like set the timing I think now. Just like when you think about that, the overthinking, then you thought about that and set the boundaries. I only think the 5 minutes for these things. Then you also divert your mind, just like when you listen the movies and the music and the walk. Then you also, and just like some steps also are there, write down your thoughts and write down what thoughts that bothering you and irritating you. When you write down in the notebook, then also your mind doesn't reply it again and again. So it's also because you note down it, so your mind doesn't work it for that. And also just like practice the gratitude. Also note the 2 and 3 points in the night. What's just like what's happened in the day. So it's also good things. When you do it this type of things, then you also just like feel the goods, and you also think about the positivity. So it's also good things, and live in the present and be present. It's also the good thing, because it always starts the past and the future. When you think about that past and future, then I start it. So you don't think about the past and future. Also just like observe in your present moment, and also think about that present moment, just like observe your thoughts and your breath and your meditation. So it's also the good things. When you know about that, then you don't think about that the overthinking. So okay friends, it's my today's content. I will upload next video, next important things tomorrow. Okay friends, bye bye and take care.